Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video for those that are running a iPhone or an iPad, those that are actually using Apple products. There was a security flaw that was discovered in iPhones and in iOS basically in the last couple of weeks. For some, it was fun because it enabled and gave the possibility of jailbreaking your device for those that want to do that. But it also opens the door for a major security flaw that could actually mean that you can get infected by malware in your iPad and iPhone. So what I recommend here, of course, is updating your iPhone and your iPads to the latest update, because it's a pretty big security flaw, and even Apple warns users that they should upgrade to make sure that they stay safe online, especially when you use, depending on where you go on the web, and also when you use, public Wi-Fi connectivity. That is always a risk, and it's important to stay safe by just making sure that all of that is okay. So head on to your iPads and iPhones and update to the latest version of the operating system to make sure that you stay safe on your devices, as this is a pretty big flaw. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.